In one of the videos, we have learned that you want to retrieve the query stream parameters value. Then we can use the request.query, and then the name of the query stream parameter will be able to retrieve the value. And then for the that will be for the get request. And then for the post request, if we want to retrieve the value from one of the, let's say, input element with the name, first name, then we can use approach that is request a form, and then the name get assigned to that input element, to retrieve the value. But then what happened that if we want to retrieve the let's say the third segment in the URL using this routing approach, this will be the name of the controller, the action method, and then this will be the third section. Then we can use this approach. We can use raw data, the values, and then the name you assigned in the routing pattern here. Again, the name is extremely important. So let's see some examples. So again, this will be our previous example. So we think that, how about if I want to retrieve the route data, then I can use this something like this. Let's say temp equal to raw data dot values, and then the name of the again the ID. I set it up. I set it up in the ID field over here. So give me a minute. There you go. So let me use ID. And then semicolon. So you can see that kind of the compiler complaint. And then if we look into the description, then we can see that actually the return type is an object. Using this route.data value approach. So values approach. So it might be better that we maybe declare another variable called var temp1. Again, just for demonstration purpose. And then over here, I would say if temp1 is now equal to null, and then just retrieve the value. So now let me run the app. Let me run the app. And then let's see what's going to happen. So far so good. So assume that I have the action controller home action method index, and then the third segment will be with the value hello 1 to 3. Then let me press the enter key. There you go. So it got retrieved using this approach. So if I change the value to maybe 5, 6, 7 and press enter key, then there you go, it works. But then again, this one is the one we kind of hand type into it. But then for real world situation, it could be something like this. So let me just quickly copy this one. The anchor link, and then paste over here. A little bit BR, and then let me try this approach. Let me try A90. Let me try A90. A90. All right. So let me run the app again. And then if I click this link over here, then you can see that A90 got retrieved because again, we can use this route data values approach to retrieve this third segment of the value. But again, this is kind of a little bit tricky. So if I change this one to, let's say, page, and then run it again. And click this one, then you can see that even the raw data is the third segment of the raw data is A93, but then no value got retrieved. Why? Because this is the page, okay, but then in our startup, okay, in the route, okay, we call it ID, okay, yeah. So again, make sure that you use the right parameter name, okay, otherwise okay, it won't work, okay, yeah. So again, okay, let me stop the video now. Yep.